Anabolic beats.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Fitz.
This is really hot.
And welcome to the High Life Garage, man. Previously on the last video, we did a car review. Me and Lil Thugger, we went and did a review at the paint wall. Before that, we did a video of us getting the car. Now we is here today, installing the clutch, the old clutch from the old car into this. Now, I went to go get my flywheel resurfaced. Got this bad baby looking as smooth as a red light. Then the clutch still, to me, I feel like the clutch is still good, still usable. It's only for a short period of time. And also, the old shifter, I'm gonna throw back into this. We about to go ahead and dive into this video, man. So drop a comment in this bitch. Hit that like button for your boy. And what we say, if you ain't already subscribed,
Subscribe.
yes, sir. Shifter that came out with the old car. You can see the difference, obviously.
Wait, is this the old car?
Yeah, this the one I
How's that cleaner than this one?
I did all of this before when I whatchamacallit, when we put all this shit on the old car. The old car had this same shifter on it too. I bought this to put on it and it was a pain in the ass at the same time. But you see the difference in it. It's more of an upgraded stock one, I say this one is. Like, this plastic shit could break. This is the plastic piece I want to say to go into reverse.
This is different than this one because this one is flat, this one is skinnier.
Yeah, it is a little bit thicker, but I was pointing at like this right here. Like, you see the plastic pieces versus this piece, this plastic piece versus this being metal. It's a little bit heavier, but big ass huge upgrade compared to this shit. So we gonna go ahead and toss that bad boy onto the trash.
Wait.
Yeah, boy, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, and I'm dusty.
Get some water right there.
And I'm crusty. Well, let me cover that up, nigga. We ain't doing no sponsors around this. What's wrong with these niggas? Woo! 10 out of 10. Don't recommend doing it that way. Should've took the exhaust off. What's up? We did our shit, dog. Goofy. I'm hot. Yeah, we in business. You know, we ain't got a lot of light back down here, but yeah, we in business. High Life Garage, baby. Nigga, that's how we coming. Dad and son. Well, mainly dad while son fucks around.
You better cut that out.
This These discs don't look that bad though. I mean, for a car that had 30,000 miles on it, it definitely wasn't driven like that. You could tell it wasn't driven like too crazy. Compared to this one.
This one's clearer than this one.
Yeah, but this one, I'll be able to bang some gears in this bitch. This one went through full bolt-ons and a turbo setup. Look at the size difference of how much disc space. Like, you see the disc space between those and this?
Yeah.
It's a lot bigger of a surface for it to grip. But I definitely was beating the fuck out of that car. I tell you that much. Your boy was beating that hoe. Now it's about time. We gonna get that bad boy on. Well, first I gotta get that shit off.
All right.
And then we gonna get that on, man.
All right, all guys about to go under the cars to wave.
The next day.
We back from yesterday. This your boy Fitz, and that's your boy Fitz. And we about to drop the car. About to show you guys. And here it is.
What it do, gang, man? We back now the next day. Everything is taken care of. I got all the bolts tightened down. I even got the car on the ground. I did all of this prematurely because I didn't want to come out here and like record and do all this shit without this little heifer crying and complaining about, I want to come. But then also, I started this video with him, and we gonna finish this video with my boy, testing out our new parts. Let's see how she handle. You think she gonna work, or you think it's gonna break while we driving? What you think? You think it's gonna break? I don't know. I think this nigga kind of mad at me right now. This nigga is moody as fuck for no reason. Bro, you gonna talk to the camera? Say something.
Nope.
Well, it is what it is, guys. We about to go ahead and take a drive. Bro, you're an asshole. But all right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the car. Let's go get this drive. Let's see if I did anything wrong. Let's see if anything breaks. I don't think nothing I did was wrong. I think we A-okay. It definitely was a struggle. But come on, man. Let's go ahead and jump into the car and get this shit shaking. You ready to go for we spent all this time doing this to this car? See if our clutch work.
Yeah, What is that?
Oh, that was the thingy.
That what happened when you have a Mustang. I fixed it to me.
Oh, this clutch grabby. It definitely feels a lot stronger than what it was.
I should move it.
Keep it on lock mode. Lock it.
This.
Is it? Oh yeah, she go like butter. I might gotta add no lift shift on this. Sit back. Stop. Ready?
Yeah.
That motherfucking shift like butter, baby. You heard me? That big shift like butter.